On this occasion, I would like to present the research leader, domestic violence and the economy, dependent in vulnerable household Nuevo Paraíso, Chepén 2025, a stat that addresses a social issue of drill relevance our community and seeks to understand the, the factor that perpetuate situation of vulnerability within the family environment. Problematic reality. Domestic violence in Japan persisted due to the woman, economic dependence, gender inequality, and lack of autonomy, perpetual cycles of abuse that affect their world begins limit their development and make reporting and effective protection more difficult. Like sweet, it was a widespread problem that affects people from all social backgrounds with economic dependence as influential. In Japan, economic dependence limited women's ability to break the cycle of violence. International. At the international level, violence in Latin America worsening by poverty and machismo has increased significantly. Brazil also faced high rates of domestic violence, hindering sustained development local. At the local level, in Trujillo, the relationship between emotional, economic dependence, and domestic violence was confirmed. In Japan, economic dependence became a crucial factor that limited women's ability to break disease caused violence and restricted the share for safer and more autonomous life alternative. General problem. How does economy dependence generate domestic violence in vulnerable households in Japan? General objective to determine how economy dependence influence domestic violence in the households of citizens using the jurisdiction of Japan in 25. Theories that support the research. Number 1. Duque Ramírez y Acosta Silva, 2024. Psychosexual theory. They analyze high socio-emotional capacities influence the size of domestic violence and economic dependence. Preventing victims from breaking the emotional bond with the aggressor. Number 2. Walby, 1990. Feminist theory. She explained that domestic violence results from unequal power relation in a patriarchal society. She argued that economic dependence make women more vulnerable and that violence is used to maintain male dominance. Number 3. Social exchange theory. He proposed that relationships are based on exchange of resources, with one party as fewer resources, a power imbalance occurs that may lead domestic violence. Number 4. Bandura, 1997. Social learning theory. He argued that herbivores are learned through observation and imitation. He explained how people raised in violence household reproduce pattern of violence and dependency in adults.
In our research, we adopted a quantitative approach based on numerical data and statistical methods that allow us to objectively analyze the relationship between the variables. The study was based in research and is aiming to generate knowledge about the social problem of domestic violence and its connection to economic dependence. Also, its main purpose is theoretical. It also provides useful information to guide public policies aligned with the Ministry of Women and Vulnerable Populations. The methodological design was not experimental because the variables were not manipulated. Cross-sectional scene data were collected at a single point in time correlational because the relationship between domestic violence and economic dependency was analyzed and descriptive as characteristics and traits were described to frequency, average, and percentage. Study variables were domestic violence Olex independent variable assessed to three dimensions physical, psychological, and sexual violence. Economic dependence dependent variable measured through income appropriation, budget control, and provision from working or study. The population consisted of 213 women 18 to 49 who had experienced intimate partner violence, since in each finite population the corresponding sampling formula was applied. A pilot test was conducted with 20 women using a 24-item closet-identical questionnaire with a 5 pounds lighter scale. The sampling was not probabilistic by convenience. Selected participants who were accessible and willing to participate. The delivery of the instrument were ensured through expert judgment, civil and family law attorneys, and library was measured using Cronbach alpha for data analysis, descriptive statistics, and normality tests con Morrow, Sigminor, and Shapiro Wilk were applied. Finally, experiment correlation was used to determine the relationship between the two variables.
Table. It was observed that 58.6% of the women have high economic dependence, which means that more than half did not have their own income or financial autonomy. The findings were related to the position of Díaz Fuentes, 2025, who argued that economic dependence limited women's autonomy and their ability to live violence relationships. Thomas, 1958, from the perspective of social exchanging theory, explained that the lack of resources places women in a position of vulnerability, increasing the aggressor control. Additionally, Hadi et al. 2023 stated that economic dependence reinforced fear and the continuation of harmful relationships. In the results, we first found that domestic violence reached very high levels. According to Table 1, 59.8% of the women experienced violence. This showed that most of them live with constant aggression, not isolated incidents. The high levels of violence were consistent with West Bravo 2922 Steiner, who explained that violence persisted due to emotional and economic dependence, with limiting the victim's ability to write. Rojas et al. 2021 complement this by indicating that violence became a repetitive pattern that was normalized within the household. Fernandez 2022 affirmed that physical violence was a deeply rooted problem in society, which explained why so many women were placed in severe levels in the SAM. Table 3 shows the strongest relationship in the study. 92.2% of women with high economic dependence also present high levels of domestic violence. This demonstrates that the greater the dependence, the higher the level of aggression. The results are consistent with Wolbe 1990, who argues that patriarchy uses economic control as a form of domination, which is reflected in the 92.2% found. Similarly, Mendoza 2024 points out that the lack of resources become a tool of control that limits women's ability to break the cycle of violence. Cisneros et al. 2024 add that economically dependent women are more prone to abuse. The two social structures that restrict their labor development and autonomy. The normality test in table 4 indicate that both variables have p equals 0.000, demonstrating that the cases are not distributed equally but are indeed concentrated in the highest level. The irregular distribution observed inconsistent with Sanchez et al. 2023, who claim that risks are not distributed uniformly but tend to concentrate in the most vulnerable groups. Alfaro and Alvarez 2024 point out that this characteristic is common in complex social phenomena, justifying the use of non-parametric methods. In addition, they explain that socio-emotional factors affect the web violence is reproduced, which helps to understand why the cases cluster at higher levels. Finally, Table 5 shows a Spearman coefficient of 0.6, which indicates a very strong and positive correlation between economic dependence and domestic violence. The strong correlation is consistent with Bravo 2022, who states that economic dependence not only accompanies violence but intensifies it. Azañero 2024 reaffirms that dependence reinforces the aggressor's control and increases the frequency of abuse, and argues that economic dependence acts as an ally of domestic violence because it reduces safe alternatives and leads women to normalize abusive behavior.
A direct act significant relations with what variables was also ineffective. 92.2% of the women use high economic deficit. Also reported high levels of violence. It was also evaluating that was balancing and the economic dependency. It's not follow abnormal distribution, indicating that risks were concentrated. If there was seven cases. Finally, the resilient shopping with tooth was variables was compared. Using Spearman coefficient re- resulting is 0.8 y shifts, which shows a very strong a positive correlation. The great the economic depends the how or the dominant balance, which would allow to express our respect, gratitude to Earth as advisor I teacher Claudia Villon, who supported us with dedication and commitment throughout this entire process. Her immense patience, constant heightened and license to expressing every delighting allowed us to move forward with confidence and clarity. Thank you, Miss Vision, for believing in us, for giving us for time, for knowledge, and especially your unconditional support. I saw your hands this were what not have been positive. Would truly valued everything you have done for us, and less subs for your dedication for a man on earth and for in support to a less with fervent